Find the coordinates of the x-intercepts of the equation of the graph below. So I'm going to do this by factorising. So the first thing I need to do is draw out my grid. So I know I've got an x squared, and I've got that's going to be x and that's going to be x, because x times x is x squared. And I know that I've got a negative 108 here. I don't know anything else at the moment, but I know that this number here times by this number here is going to give me a negative 108. So the first thing I'm going to do is look at, just forget about the negative at the moment, the 108 and the factors of 108. And I'm going to look at my factor pairs for this. And you might need to do some work and you might not know them straight away. So the obvious one is 1 times 108. And then there's going to be 2 times 54. Now at this point, I'm just going to do a quick bus stop to make sure I can figure out what it is. So 3 times what? So how many 3's go into 108? 3's into 1 is 0, so I've still got that 1. 3's into 10 is 3, and I've got 1 left over. 3's into 18 is 6. So it's 3 times 36. Does 4 go into it? And again, just do a little bus stop to check that. So 4 into 108. 4's into 1 is 0. I've still got that 1. 4's into 10 is 2. Remainder 2. 4's into 28. There's a 2 there. 4's into 28 is 7. So it's 4 times 27. 5, I can tell, doesn't go into it, so I'm not going to bother. 6, I'm not sure about. So again, I'm going to do a little bus stop. 6 is into 108. 6 is into 1 is 0. I've still got that 1. 6 is into 10 is 1. And then there's 4 left. And 6 is into 48 is 8. So it's 6 times 18. 7. Does 7 go into it? So 7's into 108, 7 into 1 is 0, I've still got that 1. 7 into 10 is 1, I've got 3 left. 7 into 38 doesn't go to 7, doesn't go into it. So I can rub that out. 8. Does 8 go into it? 8's into 1, 0, still got that 1. 8's into 10, 1, 2 left. 8's into 28, doesn't work. So again, I can rub that out. 9. 9's into 108. 9's into 1 is 0, still got that 1. 9's into 10 is 1, I've got 1 left. 9's into 18 is 2. So that's going to be 9 times 12. 10 doesn't go into it, I can see that. 11, let's just check 11. I'm going to go back up here because I've run out of room. So 11's into 108. 11's into 1 is 0, I've still got that 1. 11's into 10 is 0. So it's not working here, so let's just think of my 11 times tables. Well, I know that I'm going to get up to 99. So 9 times 11 is 99. Add on 11 would be 110. So that doesn't work. 11 doesn't go into it. And 12 would start repeating myself. So I know that here I've now finished my factor pairs. That's when I'm then picking, I have to decide, right, well, I know that these numbers here are going to add to give this 3x in the middle. So which of these pairs either add or subtract to give 3? That doesn't. Nope, nope, nope. 12 and 9, 12 take away 9 would be 3. So it's this one that I'm looking at. And I want positive 3, so it's going to be 12 take away 9. Let's just check. 12 times negative 9 is 108. Negative 108, sorry. And then 12 times x is 12x. Negative 9 would be times x is negative 9x. So 12x take away 9x is 3x. So now I've got that right. So let's figure out what we've got so far. So I know that x plus 12 times x minus 9 is equal to, so that's y equals, or equal to y. So when I do, when I'm finding the x-intercepts, that's when y equals 0. So I need to put x plus 12 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Now that's because when I do my little sketch, this line here, this x-axis, that's actually, the equation of that line is actually y equals 0. So now I've got my little balance method. So either I've got two numbers, so this number here times by this number here is equal to 0. So either one of those numbers has got to be 0 or both. So either x plus 12 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. Little balance methods. Add 12, take away 12 from both sides, x is minus 12. Add 9 to both sides, x is 9. There's my x-intercepts. If I wanted a little sketch, this point here would be minus 12 and this point here would be 9.